Nothing could replace this girl, and her name is Veronica. I couldn't believe my eyes, the look she puts behind. Her sweetness gives me nowhere but inside here. Veronica, you're so sweet. Veronica, desperate inside. Veronica, twins will never come true and die.
Thank you, September Midnight. Ladies and gentlemen, we just have two